Just finished putting it back together. As you can see, if you're putting it right, see how long it is when it comes out. Nearly the same height as this part here. See that? Probably like 3 mil or 4 mil less. Alright, if you got that, that means you got it right. So see in here, you got to have the spring sitting in the right position. The bottom part of the rod, some are different, but you can still use different arm and different spring to make it work. Doesn't matter what model it is, or the air cool with the ionized handle. Alright, now we're going to go back. Let's go and try it in the car first before we put it back together. Just quickly I want to show you is you got to take, there's a little Phillips head there, take this part off, and then you just pry it, get a little pick, just pry it up here, and that whole part will come off with the handle. Alright, off the housing. So just replace that part there that's broken, put everything back together, but you just gotta make sure that's sitting properly there. Sorry, there, probably this way easier. See the bottom of the handle, it's black there. Here it's got to be pushing up on the right part of the actual. You can have it the wrong way and it'll be short. You can tell it's short anyway. If it's too short, have to be that much. If it's short, you'll never open the door. But if you got it right, it will open the door. Let's try it. Okay, let me just quickly lock it and insert this. Make sure you put the cover here, the grommet here, otherwise we'll leak water. But I'm just showing you guys if you're interested. So to put it in, just sort of dig it in, go down and then up, and sort of line up the holes outside and goes like that. And if you got it the right way, when you open the handle, the lock at the bottom here should open. You can hear a click. Ready? Oh, sorry. Ready? There you go. It worked. If that worked, that means you installed everything back the right way. Okay, it's only 2 screws holding it in. One here and one there. But I can tell somebody had taken this off before because they've got a Phillips head screw holding this part on. So I've got to try to figure out how to fix that. Not sure why they've done that, but that's just how it is. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.